Hello guys, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys the three ways by which you can translate 1688 HAP. A lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions about translation on 1688 HAP. So in this video, I will give you all the three steps by which I use to translate 1688 HAP from Chinese character to English language. So if you are the type that find it difficult to translate successfully, so this video is going to help you because I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can actually translate your 1688 HAP or Google Chrome into English language, that is from Chinese character to English language. So let's get to the practical started. But before we get started to the practical class, if you are very new to my channel, please remember to subscribe to this channel, and then don't forget to click on the notification bell icon, so whenever I upload video content about importation, you'll be able to learn one or two things. So let's get to the practical started. So one of the first way I'm going to introduce to you guys is what we call iDictionary. Okay, so if you are part of my online private class, you should be able to understand how you can install iDictionary. So all you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store, download the iDictionary, configure it on your phone, and see how you can use it. So now, for us to use iDictionary, iTranslator to translate from Chinese character to English language, so you can just sweep and let me make a screenshot. So you can see the app here. Okay, this is iDictionary. All right. So I'm going to click on it right away. Now, after you click on your iDictionary, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now, we need to turn on this iDictionary so that we'll be able to use it successfully in translation on 1688 app or on 1688 using Google Chrome. Okay, all you have to do is to let me make a screenshot so that you know where you're going to tap. So you need to tap on here. Okay, this big bar here, tap on it. So I'm going to click on it right now. Now you see it has been automatically turned on, which simply means that this app is ready to be used for our translation on 1688 app or Google Chrome. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to exit from this app now. Just double tap, you are going to exit. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is to go to our 1688 app and see how we can use this application to translate from Chinese character to English language. So I'm going to click on so let me make a screenshot again. So this is my 1688 app. You can see from the screen of my phone right there. So I'm going to click on it right away. So now, as I think 1688 app in our chat. Okay? Now we need to convert this into English language so that we're able to understand what's actually written on this app. Okay, so that we'll be able to make a purchase. Okay, so I'm going to click on close this. Now, what I'm going to do is to bring up my iDictionary. So immediately you configure your iDictionary and you turn it on, you are going to notice the icon of the app at the front screen of your phone. So I'm going to bring it out. It's at the corner here. I'm going to bring it out. So you can see it has been automatically pumped up from the screen of my phone. So once the app pump up from the screen of your phone, there are two ways by which you can use it. You can use it by way of clicking on global translation. So let's see how global translation works. Okay, so I'm going to make another screenshot. So you have to click on here. So I'm going to click on global translation now. Now it's going to ask you for permission. This is very normal. Okay, all you have to do is to click on set permission. Let me make another screenshot. You click on this big bar. Okay, set permission. Now from the very point here is going to open up like this. All you have to do is to just tap at the top. Let me make a screenshot. So just tap here, just click on here. So I'm going to click on it right now. So you can see it's the screen play has been automatically turned off. Okay. So now let me bring my camera down here. So the next thing you have to do at this point here is to turn on the iDictionary. Another screenshot again. So you have to click on here. Okay. So I'm going to click on it right away. Okay. So another screenshot. You have to click on here. You have to turn on this button here. This button, okay? Now I'm going to click on it. Now you have to click on OK. Click on here. Okay? So I'm going to click on it right away. Now, my iDictionary has been ready for use on 1688. So the next thing I'm going to do is to exit from this app. So just tap to go back. Now we are back to our 1688 app. Then you have to tap again on the screen of your phone. Then the iDictionary will pump up from your phone screen. Now tap on the global translation now. So you can see within a few minutes, it's going to automatically translate everything from Chinese character to English language. You can see we have industrial brand here, we have super origin, we have fine factory, enterprise, then we have crop supply, we have factory, that is direct factory supply, micro trade, we have to make one treasure box, we have full money, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can easily translate from Chinese character to English language using a method by which you can use on this. Sorry for the interruption. So a method by which you can use to translate from Chinese character to English language is that you can just drag your iDictionary and take it to where you need it to be translated. Simple as. We can go now and look for products. Okay, this product here, let's quickly know the name of this product. Just tap and take it to the link of the product. So it's going to automatically tell you the name of the product in English language. So we have 6L6, rice tailing steel meat, machine double, speed electric meat, measuring larger cash machine ingredient cut into the meat wear. So with this now you'll be able to make your purchase decision because you already know the name of the product. Then you can as well click on the product and see some other information about the product. So if you are to do further information about the product, so you just click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, you can see the full information about the product. You can as well translate again, global translation. So everything will be automatically translated. You can see where you have to add a purchase order. You can see where you have to click when to make payment. So now, if I make a screenshot now, so oh sorry. So let me global translation. Okay, so make sure. Okay, so here is add to cart. Okay, then here is order now. When you click on this order now, simply means you want to go and make payment. But if you click on this icon here, it simply means that you are still making a purchase. You want to add this to cart. Okay, now this one here means you want to chat with the supplier. Okay, so this is how you interpret all these things in a simple way. Okay, now another way by which you can translate your 1688 app into English language. Let's go to the home. Let's go to the home screen. Now here we can decide to make a screenshot. of a product or of the whole screen. So when you make a screenshot of the whole screen like this, so the second method is what when this is the second method. So you have to screenshot first. When you screenshot, you have to go to your Google Translator. Okay. So I'm going to exit from 1688 app now and go to my phone screen. So I'm going to make another screenshot. So here is my Google Translate. Okay. So the alternative way to translate from Chinese character to English language is to use Google Translate. So I'm going to click on my Google Translate. So when your Google Translate open up this way, so let me make a screenshot. So you have to click on this camera icon. So I'm going to click on it right away. So when you click on the camera icon, let me make another screenshot. If it's to screenshot, let's see. Okay, so you have to click on here. So I'm going to click on it right away. So I take you to all the screenshots you have done in your phone. The second one you need. I need this one here, the first one here. So when you select it, now you can just tap like this. Then when you are tapping, you know the name of the product from the screen here at the top is to write it. So you can tap on this one also. You can see the name of the product. You can see the name of the product. So you can click on it and copy the name and all that. So this is the second method of how you can translate from Chinese character to English language. So the last method is what we call WeChat translator. Okay, WeChat translator. So I'm going to exit from my Google Translate now and go to my WeChat account. So you have to click on your WeChat. Okay, to this point here, the next thing you have to do is you need to, let me make a screenshot. So you can tap on this place here, the main. So I'm going to click on it. Oh, sorry. Let me make another screenshot. So you have to tap on Discover, okay? So I'm going to click on Discover. So, next, you have to tap on Scan, okay? So I'm going to select Scan now. Then you have to sweep. And I'm going to make another screenshot. Then you have to click on this icon, which means you want to select picture. So we are already on Translate. Click on this icon. Then to use the same screenshot. All right. So now after the translation, so let me make a screenshot. So you can click on this icon, which means download. So I'm going to download it. So I'm going to click on it right now. then save to album. So now this is the last method by which you can translate from Chinese character to English language. So the download option, now we can go to our phone folder. So here now we can expand it without no gain. This is manufacturer direct supply. This is the manufacturer direct supply ultrasonic women weaving. Then the price is 500 yuan. This is another selected source, however dedicated to. So you can see everything has been translated. You can see Yulako couple pairs watch steel band handed. All these things. So this is how you can translate on using 1688 app or using 1688 on Google Chrome. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button. And also, if you have any other way by which you translate 1688 from your hand, please put it in the comment section down below. Let us hear from you how you guys also translate from Chinese character to English language. So if you would like to join my online private tutor and mentorship on importation from China to whatever country of your choice, you can contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.